is up, Web3 crew? Krista Tumun's right here at a second day of Solana Crossroads, Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm with Energetic. And I'm really happy and so honored to be with him right now, head of partnership of STEP. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, Robert, how are you today?
Oh my God, you're so sweet. Thank you so much for that wonderful introduction. I'm doing amazing. How are you today?
I'm really happy. Actually, this is my first time doing Solana Crossroads.
Wow, that is so cool. What do you think about Solana Crossroads?
Very huge event, premium event. Oh my God, I'm so glad that I am invited here. And let's talk about you. How's everything going so far?
Everything's going great. We have so many amazing sponsors here. We're hosting this at the beautiful Rixos Tersane, one of the most beautiful locations in all of Istanbul. This is a shipyard that was 600 years ago was like a very significant point in Istanbul and for trade and for all of commerce for the world. So we're very honored to be here. There's a lot of history here and we're making history here with all of these amazing projects. We have Mew, we have Flash Trade, we have Bad Chain, we have Soulflare behind us. We have so many amazing projects, both big and small, trying to grind their teeth and get their name known out there. So really honored to be here.
And how long have you been partners with Solana?
I've been with STEP for 6 months. So this is, it's like half a year. It's felt like 5 years, but it's amazing. I love doing this. This is what we come here for.
And for the sake of our new viewers, let's talk about STEP.
Yes.
And what do you specialize in?
So I specialize in partnerships at STEP. So STEP is now STEP Group. And that's because we have 5 brands. So we're STEP Finance, we're Salana Floor, we're Solana All-Stars, our ambassador network that reaches out to 100,000 people over the course of a year. We do 100 in real life events every single month across 6 different countries. And then also we have Remora Markets, which is going to be a blue chip stock trading like token on Solana. So you'll be able to buy Apple, Nvidia, and those kinds of things. Those types of coins on Solana. And then which one did I miss? And then Solana Crossroads, the last one, which is why we're here. So we're all 5 of those. I do partnerships for all of those and try to connect us with as many good people as possible.
And how's the relationship between Solana and STEP?
The relationship between Salana and STEP is that we're super close with the Salana Foundation. I mean, we're working on doing a lot of media for their Solana Mobile right now, and also their booth is here. We're trying to be connected with the Solana Foundation at every turn. They also help us with our Solana All-Stars, so we're very, very grateful to the Solana Foundation, and we wouldn't be here if it weren't for them. So.
And I actually got to talk to Salwuki as well.
Oh,
yes, All-Stars yesterday. So what's next with the STEP Group then?
So what's next with STEP Group is the Remora Markets. Remora Markets is going to be launching in the next month-ish. So we are actually available right now for some people. We will be available wider in about a month, but that's our RWA market. So you have tokenized stocks on Solana. You have Apple, you have Nvidia, anything like that. You don't have to move your money off chain to be able to invest into blue chip stocks. We want to make that available to everybody.
And then after Solana Crossroads, where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events or?
Yes, there's 3 big events that I'm going to. One is going to be Solana Accelerate in New York City. I'm a New York City boy, so I'm really excited to get back home. That's going to be in May. And then we also have the Solana Apex Summits, which are going to be, I'm going to be doing that in Singapore and in Budapest.
Thank you so much. I hope I will be there as well. And I have one last question.
Yeah.
What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money is decentralization and speed and security. We are living in a world where money is moving extremely fast, and people being able to hold on to it means that you need to be able to own your own keys, own your own crypto. Yeah, I think that the best way to own anything of value in this space is to own it with your own secure wallet. So yeah, that's the real beauty and future of finance, and that's why we have awesome sponsors like Soulflare here.
Thank you so much, Rob. I had so much fun talking to you. I need you to describe Solana Crossroads in 3 words. Let's go.
Solana Crossroads in 3 words: community, developers, fun.
Thank you so much. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Chris at 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.